Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant arugula in a container for our container garden. Here's a clip from the show. All right, next we're going to plant the arugula seed, and we're going to put them in some of the fabric pots. So I'm going to draw 3 lines, and my lines are about 3 inches apart, and I'm going to drop those seeds in. I don't want them too deep. This one's almost too deep. You want to go about 3 times the width of the seed. So if you look at the arugula seed, you can see they're very tiny. So 3 times that width is about how deep you want to bury them. So it's not very deep. Okay, so I got my 3 marks in there, and I'm just going to sprinkle some seed down in there. And I'm going to plant it extra thick because you never know what's going to happen. Some of the seeds might not germinate, or something might dig them up or something. So we can always thin them or transplant them later if we want to. And then I'm going to just ever so slightly knock the edge of that soil over the top of the arugula seeds. Pat that in just a little bit. And then because we're in our beautiful sandy loam soil that the plants love, it tends to dry out a little bit on top, so I'm going to go ahead and mulch it. And we'll put the mulch on like that. And that will help hold the moisture in the top, and then I'll water these in really good. And then I may end up having to water it twice a day. It just depends on the wind and stuff that we get, but that's just a great way to get the arugula in. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -4. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.